Hi, very good morning, all. This is 5th January 2026. Here we are for our live Indian market trades and analysis. So, as this is the opening of the new week, we will be cautious looking at which sectors are performing. So, if you want to take a look, we can see PSU Bank, media, small cap, energy sectors are to be performing. The IT sector is least performing. So the banks are on interest, and one major thing what has happened over the weekend is the Venezuelan Prime Minister being arrested by the US Drug Enforcement Authority. So that is one news. We have to see how that will unfold to our markets. We are predicting that news will be good for our markets, as they are the highest exporter of uh, oil, gold, metal, and etc. All the other metals. So I think the US president or the Donald Trump, he will not let them easily give deals with China. So he is looking at buying all the resources from them directly. So it is the shortest point for them also. It's like just 30 minutes away through the sea route or the aerial route for them. So if that is the case, maybe India might see some good exports in those metals. So keeping that in mind, we are looking at today's intraday movements in the stocks if there are any. So as PSU banks were performing, we will see Canara Bank. Canara Bank is still to break some of the resistance. Bank of Baroda is doing good, and PNB Bank is good. Actually, these all stocks have huge lot size, so that's the reason we don't trade them very often. We just have a look over them, and we are looking at the heavyweights now. It's HDFC, so we can see a big fall in the HDFC from the day high. We are seeing Axis Bank trying to break previous day high. So that was one of our strategy, going above the previous day high and low. So I'll also parallelly run my scanner. It's already 9:20. So we will see if there are any stocks that have given closings above previous day high. Uh, Currently, we are not getting any stocks that have given closings. So we have one AU Bank. It is already overstretched. So let's see. In the metal sector, we have Hind Copper to be performing well. So these all can be one of the stocks for your positional trades also. Because as the metal and the energy sectors are performing, we call this to be the last phase of expansion from the markets, because energy and metals only perform when the commodity prices shoot up. So the commodity prices shoot up because they are more stable than the financial markets. As these are risky assets, people feel gold, silver, and aluminium, copper to be the safest investment that they can make. So keeping that in mind, we have to look at trades. We are seeing this one trade MFSL. So this MFSL stock doesn't have good liquidity in the options. So that is the reason I actually checked the stocks some time back, and I did not see good liquidity kicking in and moving through. So I am not pretty interested in this as well. Tata Communication doesn't have future and options. So I see all the sectors to be which were performing. We saw PSU banks to be at 1% more gains, but now it is again falling. So the gold prices are again rallying on the upside today. So that is one update on them, and even the silver. Silver is also on the boom. So we'll be careful. So I think Axis Bank is trying to break the previous day high, but it is right away facing the resistance there itself. So this week we will be witnessing another trend change, guys, especially from January 7th to 10th. So that is one thing. And one interesting stock is ICICI Bank. So we saw a good bull run in them, and now equally they have made a good pattern on a daily chart, and today they are already up around 1%. So on an hourly chart we need dips for this stock to buy for positional. So if you guys can see the range which I am marking over here, so this is the resistance that the ICICI Bank will face and is currently facing. So if that is being taken off, and we will be entering the market in the future, like upcoming dips. So now currently we don't have any promising moves from any of the banks. We are again seeing metal to be leading now. So we'll go to the charts. Actually, Hindalco, Vedanta, and Hind Copper, Hindustan Zinc are all around the all-time high. So we can chase them a bit. So we are seeing Tata Steel to be performing good. So I will just open the Tata Steel 185 call option. So that is giving a good breakout. Probably it is gonna stay above its resistance zone, and it is having a resistance again around 186.95, 187. So again it would be a risky bet for us to hold this stock or to buy this stock. So we will wait. Energy sector, we are seeing ONGC. So guys, if we see the energy sector as a whole, so let me go on to the weekly chart, and this is the resistance which energy sector is like facing, 36,800. So if this index takes off this level 36,800, we can see good amount of expansion in them. So currently we are seeing Coal India, it is breaking out good levels since December 2024. So it's almost 1 year and a month after this level is formed, and it is being taken out now. So this color will go on to green because now this should act as in support. If Coal India is again going below 420 and levels, it will become positionally bearish again. If 420 level is held, we can see again the levels of 460, 500 to be coming soon in another 1 or 2 months. Maximum by 1 month, because we are seeing energy prices to be skyrocketing. And also NTPC is also stock that is giving the breakout, and one of my alert kicked in for auto sector. So let me check what is happening in auto sector. So auto sector is also in the bull run since this is the 5th day, and we are having M&M to be at the all-time high. Eicher Motors also to be at the all-time high and consolidating. So that is also good sign. We can look for good breakouts in these stocks. So Maruti is also going towards its all-time high again and again. So guys, Eicher Motors, Maruti and M&M can also be treated as a positional pick for your trades. So this can be held for another 2 to 3 weeks, but we need some proper dip in order to enter into full quantities. So let us check back again about Tata Steel. Tata Steel is again moving, guys. So it is having a narrow CPR for the day, so that is good. We just missed paisa level movement in the Tata Steel. That is not we are concerned, but let me check my scanner now if there are any closings. So we have AU Bank Let's see, BEL, BHEL, BEL. BL is moving good. So BEL 405 call option. I'm just analyzing. Let me see if we can get a good stop loss in this trade. So we would need to be risking around 1500 rupees per lot if we want to enter here for the targets of 412. I think it is not worthy to play. And Tata Steel, we'll check Hindalco. Hindalco is facing resistance around our zone itself. So Hindustan Zinc, it's not performing. So Hindustan Copper actually is performing, which doesn't have the option, in the sense like they are not enrolled in futures and options. So the banks might be trying to take a support, and then they might give a fresh level of breakout. So until and unless 60,000 level is held for us, so until unless this 60,000 level is held for us, we are happy, and we should be looking for bullish trades only. So let's see guys, what's gonna happen. And also bank nifty futures is also in the zone itself. So BEL is hitting off highs guys. Let's see. Let's see what is about India VIX. Yeah, India VIX is like 6% up for the day, which signifies there is net buying of options that is happening. So, and also through the point and figure, let me check. Yeah, point and figure is also performing well. So let's see HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is at the moment contributing negatively. So ICICI Bank is giving a good breakout. So yeah, let us see how it will react if it falls. We have to see how it reacts around this level. So IT sector is not performing. AU Bank is not so good. Let's see auto sector, what is happening in the auto sector. So auto sector is fumbling again. Eicher Motors not so good. TVS Motors, this can be good guys. I will set up an alert for ourselves. So if this level 3900 is being taken off by TVS Motors, we would be happy to enter. And also Ashok Leyland is also holding off good levels. Markets are not letting any of the opportunities out yet actually, so we have to wait. Nothing else can be done. The concentration should be on the metal and energy, so that is what our weekend analysis was, because they are the leading ones as of now. As you can see, Hindalco is picking up the pace guys. So let me try Hindalco 930 call option. It's around 26 rupees currently. So again it's giving off its level. So we will wait, guys. We will wait for some more time, some more clarity in the stocks we are looking at. So you guys can see we are not able to see much of performance. The auto sector is actually promising and it is holding off good levels. So Ashok Leyland is the one stock, guys. We also missed it. So we could have caught this stock at 130, 134. We couldn't do it. So now the stock is at 190 and it is like trying to stop a rocket which is moving on the upside. So we are not trading and we are also not investing over here. So we have kept alert for TVS Motors. Hindalco came back again into the zone. So yeah, let us take some 5 to 10 minutes break, guys. I'll just be on mute and I'll come if there are any updates that the market is showing. We are concerned that the VIX is 5% up. It happens. It's okay that the market has fear and moves up. That is also fine and okay. But we have to see proper levels being broken off in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So Nifty is like just broke and made an all-time high and it is back again. So let's see, will this trend line of ours will act as in support. Also in Bank Nifty, maybe this zone needs to be tested before it wants to move up. Let's see, guys. I'll just be on mute and I'll be back. Give me 10 minutes time. Hi guys, we had given this recommendation of ITC, so this is still there. So you can board this bus once again if you haven't. So, and also add more quantities. We are seeing some stoppage around 345 to 350 range. So that will be a beautiful range for the market to turn on the upside. So this has happened in the past. The massive selling has been there. This stock also had lot of negative PR, but still it has managed to give extraordinary returns with dividend payouts. So be mindful and try to invest over here, guys. Just like in Ola, let's see what has happened to Ola. Ola is again around the same level, 40 rupees, 41 around. Excuse, sorry. So 42 was the high around which it had gone. So now it is again around 40. Now again, as per our analysis, it can try to come again around 39, 38 levels, stay for 1 2 day, and then again move up. We are seeing good technical parameters for this stock currently. So it has strength, it must move, and we think it will move. SBI is amazing, guys. SBI is beating around the all-time high again. So 1,000 levels up in the SBI. Just a minute, guys. Also, Tata Motors private vehicle was the investment advice. It is consolidating around the same level today also. Good times were to invest at 350, 360. Yet it's just up 2 to 3% from there. You guys can invest right away. So again, no much movement. It's just the dull phase again now. We haven't pressed any order for the day yet, so we are not getting any clear signs. There is nothing to force here. So if we try to force and get into a trade, we will just end up in loss, having an emotional battle. So it's better to be out of the trade. BEL performed actually well, guys. BEL, Asian Paints, Astral. BEL actually, we discussed about this trade, which gave us a minimum amount of stop loss, but still it was, yeah, we could have bought this when we checked. But what was the problem is here, this first 5 minute candle had given us a big move, a move of almost 5 rupees. So that would cost us more in the options while we try to trade. So currently Asian Paint is also looking good. So Eicher motor is slightly taking off, guys. It has just hit the all-time high now. Let's see. So 7400 call option. Hi guys. Currently we are seeing SBI have to be turning on the bullish side. The same should be followed by the Bank Nifty as well. Given the support from HDFC, which they have hammered heavily today. So we are seeing HDFC to be taking off the last three trading sessions low. So that is not a good sign because that is the uh, Bank Nifty and Nifty heavyweight. So, and also currently Axis Bank is performing good. Axis Bank, the level which we had drawn was exactly taken as support, and the rally is continuing again. So this was also one of the good trade. Our level which we drew on ICICI Bank, the bank is currently coming out at that level as well. So I see Axis, ICICI and SBI are giving good lead. Also the AU Bank. So Tata Steel is also approaching the level which we had marked, guys. IT sector is hammered again. So it's always quite the opposite. Whenever the banks rally, the IT should make a U-turn if they are heading up. So we are following this HR motor and its stock option. It's actually performing good, and I feel the breakout has just started today, and we might try to take an entry over here. Maruti Suzuki, M&M, Eicher Motors, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors. They're all breaking out, guys. So even TVS Motors is breaking. I think we need to enter all this four actually, because the auto sector is also on this continuous run from 3 days, 3 to 5 days actually. So it is also hitting the all-time high. But this is already up, guys. Any moment it might try to come down, make some low, and then move upside. So that that is the thing we have to observe, because in a bull market you have to buy the dips, not the upside rally. If TVS motor breaks this level 3900, it will be a good entry. both is performing. Yeah, guys, the bank nifty, it feels like it is following the SBI now, the lead from the SBI. So they are also making new highs, and moving on the upside. 60,300 is the level now. I think it's given a breakout over the other charting as well. So let me check. Yeah, 60,300 is a buy in bank nifty. Let's see, guys. I don't know why, but still I feel the markets to be dull and not so in a good position today. Maybe it is waiting for some trigger, or they're already pressing the trigger. Auto and banks are looking equally good. So we should be concentrating on auto or banks. So that is the question, guys. So now 15-minute closing has come in all the charts. So the retest of 7400 will be a thing in Eicher Motors. Let's see. Looks like TVS Motors is also gonna break the level. Retap of this level on Eicher Motors is bit important. Just a minute, guys. So I think there won't be any much of move, guys, given that the hint from today's market is auto and banks are performing really good. So that is the key takeaway. So we'll be following auto and the banks for the day. So let's see how it unfolds and what it brings us. So until next live, we will be working on some other trades and other things. So maybe at 12:30 we will be live again. So yeah, guys, we'll be back at 12:30 for the forex and gold trades. Also, we'll try to update over Indian market also in that session. Thank you, guys.